should you take creatine pre or post-exercise? Creatine monohydrate is without a doubt the most effective dietary supplement when it comes to increasing muscle size and strength. It's pretty well known that supplementing with 3 to 5 grams per day can increase muscle creatine stores by around 20 to 40%, and in turn that translates to better performance. But does timing matter? There have only been a couple studies on this topic, and it seems that supplementing with creatine in close proximity to exercise is better than other times throughout the day. This is likely due to a better delivery and retention by the muscle due to the increased blood flow while you're exercising. For example, one study found that supplementing with creatine before and after your training sessions leads to greater gains compared to those who supplement in the morning and before they go to bed during a 12-week resistance training program. There have been about 5 studies testing this out. The first study showed that post-workout might be slightly better for enhancing strength and hypertrophy outcomes in trained young men. There have been 2 studies in older adults showing no effect of timing on muscle adaptations, and there's one study that showed no impact of timing when you compare pre versus post creatine and you train the right versus the left side of the body on separate days with the different creatine intake schemes. Lastly, the newest study found no effective timing in resistance trained men and women during training. So overall, there does not appear to be a clear advantage of pre versus post creatine supplementation, so you can go with what works for you. It's also suggested that supplementing with creatine with carbohydrates might enhance creatine uptake by the muscle due to the insulin response. While this seems to be the case in the short term, it's unclear if this becomes meaningful over time once your creatine stores are fully saturated. All in all, I suggest supplementing with creatine within 1 to 2 hours prior to your workout, or include it in your post-workout shake.